All right, it's the 20th of November, about 11 o'clock in the morning, and we've been peeling potatoes. My wife's getting ready to can today, and we've been peeling some potatoes. I don't know how many pounds of we got, but we're Ben's cubing some of them up.
About 40, got about 40 pounds potatoes.
You should look at the size of these.
Okay.
These some big potatoes, but they're good.
But they're some at both.
We're getting ready to work them and we're cutting them up, peel them first. Then I peel them, put them in, just leave them in big pieces.
Apples
and
too.
Ben cuts them up in blocks, and Sharon help us. So
Got apples too.
yeah, got apples and stuff to work on
Good
later. But I don't know if we
potatoes,
get to do it today.
Look
but
at
we're
that,
working on
look at
it.
that potato right
That's
there.
that's a good size.
That's a big potato right there.
That's
That's
big.
amazing.
All right, it'll be back in a minute. All right, we got it in. Got them in some water after it's cubed up, getting ready to can to soak, to rinse them off good and stuff before before my wife cans them. And also, me and Ben decided we wanted to make us some homemade French fries. So we got two of these big potatoes we cut up right here, getting ready to put in the air fryer in a minute, put some oil on them and cook them too while we're doing this. And we've been listening to R.W. Schambach on TV as we're doing this. So there you go. Glad y'all with us today. Ben's cutting up, cubing up the potatoes. We've got them all. We're going to she's going to can already fixed. Here's the rest of the.
About 30 pounds worth of potatoes are
Or
for.
more, maybe 50.
I'd say it's close. It's at least 50.
We had about 50 pounds probably at least. Had two giant boxes. Full
Different
of
types too.
and
Different
big
types
steak
of
potatoes that people gets at a steakhouse.
Yeah, and Idaho potatoes.
Anyhow, them's good. He's good.
Idaho.
Look at our what a potato.
You're talking about good eating.
Look at the size of that thing. That's almost as long as my foot.
You want fried potatoes and biscuits and gravy? You already got it out there.
Thank y'all for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I was telling you, we had 4 of these big pots that done. Here's one of them got big cubed up. We done a couple of them already. So anyhow, that's how this has turned out. There's some big, nice potatoes. You know, it cost
about 2 cases of.
You know, we was blessed to get these, and it would cost a whole lot if you had to buy them. They would more or less give to us.
We're
So
blessed with them.
anyhow, the Lord gives us stuff all the time, different people hands and stuff, and we don't go bumming for it. It just
We get
comes.
blessed with it.
Well, thank y'all for being with us, sir, and I might do another one like this one day next time we do something else. How the stuff turned out, we cut it, made it some homemade French fries, and got burgers, good looking big burgers I fixed up a day or two ago. We're still eating on. All right, there we go. Okay, this is the end of the canning thing. Got 45 quart jars altogether of potatoes. Some of them's already in the canner here. Some of them's on the side. We have plenty of them. So anyhow, some of them's out there done fixed. So see what we got. And thank you for being with us today, and God bless you.